music on my mind.
Yeah.
On my
Don't be bashful.
homesick, but it's alright.
I need all the help I can get. Just down the road from where I live, about 45 minutes, there's a big lake called La Lusa. A place that my grandfather started my love affair with, you know. 'Cause no matter how much bullshit went on in my life back then, it's all gravy now. 'Cause I get to play with people like this. And hang out with y'all, man. But I could go there, man, and put that bubble right back in the middle of that level, you know, them two lines. No matter how much crap I dreamed up and get mad about, how much bullshit they pump through a television set, which I don't even have anymore. It's fun living without that shit, man. I don't even miss it. A friend of mine said, what are you gonna do if tanks roll down your street and you ain't watching the news? I'm gonna do the same shit I'd do if I knew they was coming. There ain't nothing I can do about it, really. Run, motherfucker. What do you think I'm gonna do? So long live the wonderful, beautiful places like Mark sang about, Luther sang about, Anders, New Orleans. The place where you could put that bubble back between the lines, you know.
I swear it's 10,000 degrees in the shade. Lord have mercy, no. How much your love is. Every mosquito, every rattlesnake, every canebrake, everything. Ooh. Every alligator, every black water swamp, every freshwater spring, everything. All we need is one more goddamn developer tearing a hole out.
Oh yeah, yeah.
All we need is one more Mickey Mouse, another golf course, another country club, another gated community. Lord, I need her. All I need her, baby, and she's going away. If my grandmother could, oh, alright. Like Lucy on my mind. She's on my mind. Homesick, but it's alright. Like Lucy on my mind, baby. She's on my mind. Homesick, but it's alright. Like Lucy is on my mind.